Hello everyone, so as you may know, Strasbourg is one of France's biggest cities. Located on the east side, it has a strong Germanic legacy, and it's for me one of the most beautiful cities of France. It's known for the European Parliament and its breathtaking cathedral, but mostly for being the self-proclaimed capital city of Christmas. Why? Because for a very long time it was the only city in France to have a Christmas market. It actually started in 1570. Ever since, it has grown to become the most famous of Europe. It's a great time to see the giant Christmas tree, all the lights in the city, drink hot wine, eat pretzels and buy Christmas presents. Although I have to admit that what you can buy now has become quite unequal. You can find beautiful handcrafted goods and cheap plastic stuff. But overall, the entire city gets into a lovely Christmas vibe that will undoubtedly cheer you up. But enough with history, let's get back to photography. I went out facing the cold to shoot some street photography. I didn't stay long outside because my old camera was struggling to get focus in the dark and my hands were frozen. But here is the POV and the pictures I took, so enjoy. couple days before that, I went on the top of the cathedral to get some pictures of the Christmas market from above. Unfortunately, I didn't bring the GoPro with me, but here are the best pictures I took from up there. Well, that's it for this year. The 2021 Christmas market is now closed. If you feel like visiting, you should definitely come next year. It's a great moment of the year to visit Strasbourg, although it's very crowded at that time. And as always, let's quickly see which pictures are my favorites and why. So for this one, I've chosen those two. So the little dog is obviously not a Christmas thing, but that's the way it is with street photography. You never know what you will get. I took a dozen pictures of him, and this one is my favorite because he's looking at me like if he knew I was gonna take a picture. Also, it looks like there is a spotlight pointing at him, which was the case on location, but I did emphasize this with a vignette and other effects in Lightroom to make sure that he was the only subject, a small white chihuahua lost in the forest of giant human legs, which is probably what he must see and feel every day. On the other hand, the second one is just a stunning view of the Christmas market seen from the top of the cathedral, where you get to see all the little cabins, the merry-go-round and more. You even get to feel the Christmas vibe I was talking about earlier. The warm light, the beautiful colors, the smell of the hot wine, almost as if you were there. And keep in mind that this is a teeny tiny portion of the entire Christmas market that spreads all over the city. And what about you? Let me know in the comments which pictures were your favorites. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you want to see more pictures like this. Cheers and see you in the next video.